All right, so here we have a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It has the 3.6 liter V6. What we're going to be doing is replacing the air filter. So here we have the air filter box. We have two little clips on the side. We'll just go ahead and release our clips. Then we'll be able to pull our upper part of our air box off. There's our air filter. All right. So we're going to put an air filter we got from Auto Parts Direct to You in it. We just want to face it back down the same way. We want to line our back two clips in the groove. Right, then we can push it down and latch our locks back down. All right, and we're all set.